back. In today's class, we are going to be discussing everything about algebra rule that has to do with distribution. This rule has to do with how numbers are distributed from one number to another. Please, I want you to get this thing right. Whenever you are studying any philosophy, please try to understand the components and the binding force as well as the rule of the binding force. So we are going to use this concept to explain this distribution rule in algebra. So what the rule is talking about is that this is rule of expansion. Algebra rule is this particular rule, distribution rule of algebra, is about expansion or distribution. Are you getting me? So in mathematics, technically it is called expansion, but in real life we call it distribution. And how does it goes? It requires minimum of three items, which are three numbers. Are you getting me? With two different classes of combinator. This combinator can either be plus, minus, times, or divide. Are you getting me? But I'm telling you that being different kind means that one in this class, are you getting me, and another in this class. So that is to say, this particular rule will show you three items, minimum of three numbers. Then you are going to see either of this or this, either of this or this. So either one plus or minus, either one multiplication or divide. But how does this rule goes? How does this combination rules goes? Because we have seen item, we have seen the combinators. Then what is the rule? How does the rule goes? So the rule is telling us that if there exists an operation such that if C exists that combined with what? With items that are in this bracket, which is A combinator B, that actually results into C combined with A, then later everything combined with what? C and B. This is distribution rule. What is this? We are saying that C is distributing itself over A and B. Can you see that it's a distribution rule? So therefore, what are we talking about? This is expansion by coefficient. The number here before this open bracket is called coefficient. So this scenario is similar to a case whereby a single girl is dating two guys. Are you getting me? What is the meaning? That is to say, the binding force between the guys is going to be very different from the binding force that will join a girl to a boy. Are you getting me? That's the reason why if it is multiplication or division outside the bracket, it must be addition or subtraction. Are you getting me? When we did the bracket. So it will now go through what we call expansion. So it has been expanded. Let us now see a sample. So in an example here, our C is 6, our this sign is multiplication, our A is 4, our second sign is plus, our B is 5. So if we now distribute 6 over 4 and 5, so what happened? 6 has been distributed. It's quickly. What is it quickly? So what are we talking about? We are having a situation whereby 6 is being distributed over what? 4, and 6 is being distributed over 5. We are now having 6 multiplied by 4 and 6 multiplied by 5. So what are we going to get? We are going to get, you see, 4 plus 5, that is 9, and multiplied by 6, we have that, and this one is what? 24 plus what? 30. You can see this is a situation where we have two parts that lead to only one answer. You can see that this expression, they are not exactly the same, but they give us the same answer, which is 54. So this is exactly what distribution is all about. So I am using this medium to implore everybody in power in Nigeria that they should please, for the sake of humanity, to let peace reign in Nigeria. They should release very dark man. The man is working towards better humanity. He's not working for himself. Everything that very dark man is doing is fighting for people who does not have voice to speak. please release him. If over 100,000 people can close their GTB bank account within 24 hours, it shows that that man is not an ordinary person. And I am still looking or hoping to see a politician that will die in this country, that they will bury like somebody called Benga Adeboye. I am still hoping that maybe we can have a politician that will die like that, that he will receive a lot of honor as that Benga Adeboye. I don't think we can have any, because there is no any honor for anyone who have traded money over integrity. Because of money you sold integrity, then you are not going to gain anything in life. The money that you struggle for, that house you build, somebody else will inherit it. If they can even kill your children and your wife, your family can do whatever. And so the sad aspect of it is that 1 second to the moment of your death, you will realize that everything is just vanity. So why are you rushing over your shadow? Why are you running more than your shadow? We give you power not to use it for yourself, to use it for humanity. Execute right judgment. Fight for people who are less privileged. This is the reason why we put you in power. Then you are using power to torment Nigerians. Very dark man, to me, he has been doing very well in this country. And if over 100,000 people can close their accounts, it shows that that man is not an ordinary person. Please, at least for once in this country, execute right judgment. Leave the man alone. Leave the man alone. Let the poor breathe. Haba. Please, let this country just be a country for us. Our children they are not even appreciate our education anymore. Our university is going down. Everything is just dying day by day. You one lecturer of Nigeria stood billions of naira. Those lecturers said they don't have hope in this future anymore. They are going to abroad to teach their children and promote in other countries where our children are dying day by day. We have resources, we have manpower, we have everything, and we are dying just because of foolishness of few these politicians. What is your problem, guys? In fact, I don't just know what to say. But for everyone that is learning on this platform, life is very simple. Do not run more than your shadow. This life is very simple. Everything that you want to acquire, everything that you want to acquire will go back to dust. Just do something that will make people remember you for good. It's no more than that. During the life of Jesus Christ, if somebody should ask you to choose between Herod and Jesus, most of you will go for Herod. And today, nobody pray in the name of Herod. We only pray in the name of Jesus, the man that has no money, that has nothing. It means that it's only people who fight for humanity that people appreciate. Nobody appreciates who has money in life. If you have money and you don't save any life, you don't save any humanity, you don't fight, no, nobody is going to recognize you, man. Nobody is going to recognize you. Please release very dark man. That man is a very good man. To me, he's even better than, if not even, he is far better than any lawyer, any judge, any politician in this country. I will see you first before I see any of you. It's not by your name, it's by what you put into humanity. So please, free very dark man, our nation will be great again.